On the left hand side is iPhone 13, on the right is Osmo Pocket 3.
Kiss me every time.
What's up YouTube fam, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ejan. So today I've got my hands on new DJI Pocket 3 and I would be reviewing this product in this video. Apart from that, I would be comparing this product with iPhone 13 quality because I've been using iPhone 13 for my vlogs. So I had a choice to buy a new iPhone or to buy a camera, and I would be sharing why I bought this camera instead of upgrading my iPhone. So I'm really excited right now and I've been waiting for like 2 days to do the unboxing video, but I was quite busy. Nevertheless, so stick to the video because I'm gonna compare both the footage and I'm gonna share my honest review if you should buy this product today in 2026. So let's see what's inside the package. The package look very sleek and minimal. I love the way how it looks and such a compact package. Show you the package, you can see that there is a logo of Pocket 3 Creator Combo. So what does Creator Combo include? It says it's 4K 120 FPS, a rotational screen, 3-axis gimbal. It has D-Log at 10-bit and it has a stereo recording. What it includes is Pocket 3, a frame, a mic, extended battery, a tripod, also a wide-angle lens. So let's open the package and see what's inside. We have got a bag and these things. Let's first open this one. So it includes a bag, a pocket bag. I like it. It's so nice and handy. So let's see what's inside. Oh, the first thing in my hand is the Pocket 3. It looks so nice. It's so handy. So let's keep it aside and see what other things are inside. So the second thing I've got is, I guess it's just a extended thing. So this is something like this. So if I'm not wrong, it just stick like this and it look like this, and I can just press it this and I bring it out. Let's keep it aside. The third thing I've got here is the extended battery, which look like this. So let's get it in. Oh, so you see the green light, so it got a, I guess I can pull it out like this. Oh yeah, it's nice. The third thing I've got is the DJI official mic 2. It looks so nice. I really like it, the way it all transparent and everything. Nice. What else we got? So I guess this is the tripod. Yes, wow, this is so nice. You got the DJI labeling on it as well. Okay, let's try connecting it. You connect this one, then you like this. Wow, it's nice and it's quite nice. I like it. So let's keep it aside right now. So you got these many things. What else? So this is the feather thing, and I don't know what it's called, but yeah, it's very handy. Okay, so I've got the lens, the wide angle lens, which I was talking about. Wow, it's so nice. Let's keep it here. So what is this? Okay, so this is the magnet for the mic. Okay. Oops. It's very strong. It's very strong. Nice. We have a USB cable as well, a C type to C type. Nice. So it's very nice that I've got this bag because it's so handy when you are carrying your products outside. I've also got this Samsung 256GB Pro Plus memory card because you don't get any memory card with this device and there is no internal storage. I really love the accessories. I forgot to show you this. So this is the cover for this camera. So finally I was able to do it. So it looks like this and it's protected, so you can carry it in your pocket and anywhere. Bring it out, you just press like this and it's out. Realize one thing, that there is a small area here where you can just place your filter like this, so and you can easily pick up like this. So I really like this product and I'm 100% sure I will be using this a lot. Let's use it. I've not used it yet and I'm super excited to see it. Before that, I just want to show this sticker. So they have also given a DJI sticker with some memory card sticker. I don't know how to use it. If you are into manuals, you can read all the manuals you want. But I don't need it because I have watched plenty of videos on YouTube. So first, let's get it out. Yeah, bhaiya, acha pehan jo. So when you do this, ooh, fuck. Wow, guys, it's so premium. So let me show you what the screen says. Asking to select English. So wow, it has a sound effect also. So it's saying device name Pocket OS 3, download the DJI app. So right now I'm using my phone, so I cannot do it. Swipe left edge to enter the playback. No SD card. So let's get the SD card first. So I've got this SD card, which I have not opened yet. I've not bought the DJI Care right now, which is this one. I'm gonna buy it because I bought this product from Currys. So right now it's facing me. Wow, guys, I love it. I love it. I love it. So with this joystick, I'm able to control this, and if I guess if I click here, I'm able to control the zoom X, which is 4x. Well, that's nice. And with this angle, you can flip the camera over to yourself. There's no SD card, as you can see. And if I just flip it over, and if I click continue, now it's recording vertical videos. So if I do the camera, see, it's recording the vertical videos now. Oh, so if I saw 3 times, it quickly flips over. I love it. So it got a lot of different features: panorama, photo, video, low light, motion, and time lapse. So if I press like this, you can switch to different time lapse, hyperlapse. So it can record up to 30x hyperlapse. So if I switch back to video mode, which is this, so it can record up to 4K 60 FPS. That's something nice. And if we check for slow motion, it can go up to 240 FPS at 18K. It goes up to 4K 120 FPS, which is very good. So without wasting time, let's insert the memory card in it. Can't wait to go out and test this product. And I'm not good at unboxing because this is not my genre. So this is the first time I'm doing unboxing, I guess. And I really love it. It's quite delicate, so I would highly recommend you to use this one. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna insert this SD card in this one. Then we're gonna go out. We're gonna shoot from my iPhone, and from this camera I would be using the mic as well and the wide angle lens as well. And I'm gonna show you what the difference is. So let's go out and find the difference. So right now I'm shooting on my Osmo Pocket 3 and my iPhone 13, and I'm not using the mic as of now, so you can see the audio how it is coming directly from the Osmo Pocket 3 and from my iPhone 13. So it's shooting on 4K 60 FPS on both the devices, and you can clearly see the quality how it is going. And right now I'm totally opposite to the sun, and you can see how it is going. And right now I'm just facing the sun, and let's see how it's going. And on my Osmo Pocket 3, the face activation is on, so it can track my face where I'm going, so you can see. And so now let's switch to the back camera and see how the video looks like. So this is the back camera, and you can see how it looks like. And on the left hand side is iPhone 13, on the right is Osmo Pocket 3. Right now I have not used the wide angle lens on Osmo Pocket 3, and both of the devices are recording 4K 60 FPS. And right now I'm little bit running, so you can see how the gimbal is working. And right now I'm walking fast, so you can see how the gimbal is working. So now I will connect my mic and see what's the difference in the audio. So right now the mic is connected, and you can see the audio difference, and it's showing me on my Osmo Pocket 3 like how much my audio is recording, and it's showing me red. So I'm guessing it's over recording my audio. I'm not sure. I will get to know that once I'm editing the video. This is the difference with the mic when I connect the mic to my Osmo Pocket 3, and it was an easy process. I just pressed the button and the mic got easily connected. You get a small display on your Osmo Pocket 3 when you connect your mic. So right now I'm running with Osmo Pocket 3, and you can see how the gimbal is working. Is it working fine? So I believe so, and it's quite handy. When I look at it, it's quite handy, and auto activation is on, so even if I'm going anywhere, it's moving with the camera. Now the mic is not connected. I'll just bring up the mic. I'll press the button.
and I believe it's connected. So if I'm going farther away, I am pretty much sure it's recording my audio. Now the face activation is on, so it's also recording where I'm going. So I really love this feature when you are out somewhere and you want to record like this. It's the best feature you can easily get. So when you're outside and you turn on the activation with the mic, so you see how far it is going. So it's so nice. So this is Osmo Pocket 3 for you. So all of the video has been shot on 4K 60 FPS. I really love the device. It's quite handy. And now I'm gonna put the wide angle lens and see what difference it makes. So right now I'm gonna show you how the wide angle lens looks. So this is without the wide angle lens. And if I put the wide angle lens, it's this. It's without wide angle lens. So you cannot see anything above my head. When I put the wide angle lens, you see. But I can see on the screen that the sides are getting a little budgy, but that's what you get with it. So it's on you if you want to use this wide angle lens or you don't want to use it. So you can see this. See? Yeah. Yeah. So I really like the product and I really love that feature of face tracking. That's best if you're doing vlogging. It's so helpful. You don't have to worry about where your camera is looking. Your camera will always face at you. So let's go up, and once I look both the clips from my iPhone and from this DJI Pocket 3, I'm gonna give my honest reviews what I think about this device. So let's go up. Before going up, I also wanted to show how it records on vertical mode for your Instagram reels. So this is how it looks like when you record it vertically. So this is how it records on a low light environment. Right now there is not much light and I guess it's super nice, and if you're with a gimbal it looks so cinematic. And I'm shooting on low light mode, and low light mode looks like this, and if I switch it to normal mode is like this. So previously it was a low light mode and now it's normal. So this is the feature which I really love about Pocket Osmo, which is this. That was so amazing. I really love that spin feature. Right now I'm gonna go up and I'm gonna see the footage, how it looks like on Osmo Pocket and on my iPhone, and I'm gonna give you my honest opinion. I just checked the footage from the Osmo Pocket 3 and right now it's charging from my laptop charger and it's showing fast charging, and in 10 minutes it goes from like 40 to 76. So that's quite impressive. It supports fast charging. So the thing about the footage is the Osmo Pocket 3 raw footages are a little bit of soft, so you have to either color grade it or you have to just turn on the HDR to make it more vibrant as compared to the videos from the iPhone. I don't think the color grading problem should stop you from buying this Osmo Pocket 3 because I loved it and I love the way you can carry it around. If you're recording from your phone, you get the tripod, and you have to carry your tripod and your phone everywhere. And if you're recording from your phone, you have to attend the calls. If you're out, you have to watch the navigation, you have to use your Apple Pay or Google Pay if you are paying somewhere. But with this device, you don't have to carry anything. You just have to carry the bag. You just have to carry this bag. This is tiny bag. It will directly fit into your pocket. If you're having a sling bag, you just put it in there and everything can fit into one thing. And it's so sleek. I love it. And quickly it turns, like you flip the camera and it's on, and you just start recording and the mic connects so efficiently, so quickly. So I really love the product, and from now onwards all my vlogs will be shot on this beautiful camera. And I've just bought the DJI Care, which is very must if you're buying it. So DJI Care cost me around £50 for 2 years, and you can replace your product if it get broken or if water goes inside or product fall. You have like 100% replacement guarantee up to 4 times in 2 years, and I'm a little bit careless when I'm handling the product, so I have to take it. And top of that, it's not weatherproof, so if it's raining outside or snowing or whatnot, this product might get damaged, so it's better to take that thing. This was my honest review about this product, and I would say yes, in 2026, if you don't have a big budget in buying a big camera like Sony ZV or some other cameras, and you have a fixed budget and you really want to upgrade to a next level, this is the product. Trust me, this is the product. It's so nice.
It's so comfortable and it's so practically right to carry it around. It's not very big, and when you're in public, it's also very nice. And it has the wide angle thing and so many attachments. If you go on YouTube or Amazon, you will find n number of attachments you can attach to this device. And when you connect it with the tripod, it becomes this much long, which is quite nice. And it got so many features. Like I show you the spin thing, I loved it. I loved it, the spin thing. You can also record time lapse, slow motion. Another thing to add, if you're buying the micro SD card, make sure it's V30U3 so that it has a high reading speed and high writing speed, and it would run longer, give lags in your video. That's pretty much for this video, guys. So if you're new to the channel, please subscribe my channel Amijan. I make lifestyle and travel vlogs. Now the travel vlogs will be much better because I bought this amazing product. As always, दिल से आ रहा है, मुंह से जा रहा है. I love you all. मिलते हैं अब next video में. Till then, stay safe, stay happy. Bye. Mwah.